shit. That shit, you know what I'm saying? Yo, you be like, yeah. You know what I'm saying?
Hey yo, I think about the rap game and hip-hop's live state. It makes my blood pressure rise like Maryland's crime rate. Spread through the city like a sense of false virility. From cats that clutch gats and lock down the vicinity. A lyrical entity that hold it down and never pretend to be something I'm not. Like push rocks and bust Glock shots, but I seen it to the level where I began to fiend it. And that life is beckoning to reality, no need to dream it. I step to the mic and rock heads like Mount Rushmore. Raid the spot like cops catching a dealer trying to flush more. Down the drain, liquor down the hatch to drown the pain. I surpass the stain, solidified within this game. The king is dead, long live the king, now watch me reign. Spit fire that I attain from leaving a dragon slain. My name is Logic, though you may know me as Young Sinatra, the cat that brought you, if I may say, the illest of verses. Not yet classics, but that will come as time disperses. Back in the 90s, I was just a badass kid.